In this video, we'll be showing you around the Master Series and the assembly of the product. Screw in the water filter by hand into the front side of the machine. Lock by pressing in the opposite direction. On the side of the reel is the crank. Pull to unlock, and press back in to lock into place. The large green button can be used to raise and lower the handle. On the back side of the machine, there's lots of room to store your accessories. For the pistol, to install the hose, simply press into the bottom. Room for storage on the side. You can put the soap bottle on the front side. And for the zoom lance, there are two different locations, on the top and on the front side of the machine.